Alright, hello. We're back.
Back again.
Just work on bingo again.
Yes.
Let's just launch the site to see where we are at.
Yes. We worked on like one thing last time, but we got it done.
Yeah, the I don't even remember. I think it's like the X.
No.
Clicking on the X to kick out people.
Oh, but not to kick out everyone, just whoever.
Yeah, if you're a player, you kick out yourself. If you're the host, you kick out everyone.
Yes.
Just getting that functionality to work.
Did I move the mic?
No. No. Oh, just leave it there.
You can't see.
Okay, anyway. Why does it always go here?
Cash.
I'm literally on... Oh yeah, cash.
I don't know, I'm just guessing.
Oh, you're right.
I've been learning things.
What? This is a private browser. I'm on the wrong... Oh, yeah.
It's the wrong project.
Wrong project.
It's alright.
I always do this.
Life of a coder. Too many projects.
It's not too many. I just need to finish old projects.
Life of a coder. I love coding.
Once you fix one problem, you find out another problem.
No, it's deep.
Okay, so let us launch browser e5. We don't need browser e5. So, okay, there we go.
And you okay? Are you okay, honey?
Join game.
Yeah. And you know.
Wait a second. This one didn't start the music.
There we go.
Oh, it did. Oh, it's always slow on the first one. I guess the servers just have to get warmed up or something. I don't know. I don't know.
That
if
might
what I
not be a
said
thing.
Makes any sense.
It's okay.
Okay, and I think it's Zen, right?
Yes, we'll find out.
Okay, that was Zen. And the game should be in progress. So if I do that password. Okay, so now we're like in that board section.
Yes.
So we're looking at boards.
Yeah. We have to pick which one we
gotta
like.
pick one of the three.
This is the final countdown.
Okay, so I just have to click the same link twice.
Picking of tabs.
O-R-X J-A-E. This one. Okay, so
Wow.
you gotta pick one.
Okay. Can we go to the other one?
This is already created.
Can we go to the other one, please?
This one.
Okay, this one. We like this one because of the colors on it, but aesthetically, it needs some work. Can we go to the first one? This one is aesthetically pleasing. Simple. So I'd say either this one or the third one.
Okay, don't worry about the color. We can always change the color wherever we want.
I just like the font, honestly. Do you think we could change the font of this one at the top?
This one?
Yeah. Do you think we could change that font to be the font of that one? With this one? Because that's the Codwell font.
This is the Codwell font?
It's more closely. I don't think it's exactly Codwell font, but it's very close.
You can change the font. We can just remove this altogether.
Okay. I mean, I'd want it to say Codwell Fellows Bingo on it board.
Okay, we can do that too. Where is this?
And can we change the background or two?
2012. End of year.
Bingo game.
What kind of HTML is this? Wait a second. We gotta make sure. Okay, we can't even use this.
We can't?
Unfortunately.
Oh. I guess it's gonna be the third one.
What in the world? Yeah, this is Pug SCS. Oh my god. I can't use this either.
What?
This is SCSS. I mean, we could, but like.
So we have to use Java?
No, I'm just saying, like, this is not just normal CSS.
Oh.
Let me see, what was that third one? Okay, that was not the one. Let's use SCSS too. Okay, we might be able to get this. Oh my god. Okay, no.
Wait, can we just look up one that in the way that we want to have it?
Oh, we could. Here's what you do. Oh no, this is my first one.
We can't do that.
HTML. Bingo board. JavaScript.
Yeah.
You want to jump?
I miss jamming with Leslie.
What's wrong with it?
Is that one acceptable?
This one says less. I don't know what that is.
Hey. Sounds like a Drake beat.
Yeah, it does. And for that, it is a Drake beat.
I know my music, friend. Just kidding. And they wish, 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 and on me.
What is this? There's just too much, like.
There's just one more better.
What the heck is this though? What is less? Like.
Less code? I don't know.
It looks like normal CSS, but like. Pens tag less. Like, what does that mean? Alright, I'm gonna just open it. I'm pretty sure this is normal CSS.
Looks good to me.
I guess we just look at what he does. Is, no.
You know how to put this code in there and see if it works? That's how I got my degree.
Let's get it popping. Okay, what did I just do? Okay, let us look at this HTML. Fonts, title, body unload. I don't understand. Create bingo. What is that? Content table, bingo table. We'll call it IE. Page. THTD2. Bingo table. Oh, this is what I feel.
Hi.
No, elbows hurt from like cleaning too much.
On this? Oh.
It's like hard.
You start to like get imprints.
Yeah.
Maybe you should get elbow pads.
Code.
Soccer players just wear shin guards, right? They don't wear anything else.
Yeah.
It's football players. Look at the elbow pads. Shoulder pads. I don't remember.
I don't need any of this other stuff. Just need the bingo table. Body, yeah, square free, bingo table, that. And then, what is the JS, JavaScript? This is the new part function. care about any of this stuff. Yeah, that's like all the logic behind it. Current square, that new num. Oh, that just changes the number. But why is this not showing up though? It's not a div. Yeah, the CSS. I just don't get like why you have these pound signs. Square free. TD.
Wow.
Yeah, we had to hide it. But that's fine. This is
Wow.
Does it look the same though?
Pretty close. Yeah.
It doesn't have any numbers on it.
Just white.
Okay.
That was crazy. You coded that so fast.
I didn't code it. I just copied
crazy.
and paste. Because I don't know much about CSS. I need to learn to get it decent enough to like make what I want, but like CSS is so tedious.
So cool.
So strange. It's such like a design heavy. It's like people who know like Photoshop really well. People like Leslie and stuff, like people who know like all these niche little technologies, like
The Adobe Cloud.
yeah, Adobe Cloud, like people who have like pen tablets. This is a group of like design heavy people that just know it, and like everyone else is just like kind of just know.
Just leave them to it.
Yeah.
Leave them to it. I'll take the JavaScript.
This is so boring. Yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna say it's boring. People like this is.
Maybe it's just particular to what they want, what they like.
I need to get rid of it though. It's important to make things look nice.
You will.
Don't even so people just like specialized. Okay, so this isn't a div, which is good. So now we can just hide the div. Like say game page is hidden.
Smells like tea.
T. That's T right there. Oh wait, at all.
It's not really a beat.
Oh my god. I just don't like sad music.
Yeah, and I have very different music taste. Yeah, does not like sad music. I really enjoy sad music. But hopefully we can find a middle ground.
Such a cool.
Have you been on one of
drawing.
those before?
No.
What you went to?
Not really. They
Like
look
a
scary.
Ferris wheel. It's like an enclosed Ferris wheel.
Yeah.
That looks safer than a Ferris wheel.
I don't know. I don't. Not a huge fan of roller coasters.
Isn't it a roller coaster?
Not a huge fan of giant mechanical machines. Don't even.
Says the engineer. Don't trust your
See?
friends?
No. I don't. And I don't trust myself. That's why I chose a career where I can do no harm to humans.
Wow. That was deep.
I don't want to be working on plane engines. And trust me, you don't want to go on a plane when I worked on it. Like, that's not good.
Some people, they do though.
Good for them.
Like, is that confidence, or is that just like, if I mess up, oh well?
I don't know, man.
I mean, they still have their job, so I guess it's working.
I like staying on the ground. That's what I like.
That's fair.
Water those rides, I don't. Water rides are okay. As long as you don't go over the top. Some people do that too.
There's those high ones.
They have like the high guards on like certain areas and that. Like you can still go over. Like,
yeah.
On certain parts.
The water pressure and weight, man. Yeah. Got that physics flow messed up.
See, you can't be riding with like irresponsible people that they have to shift the weight all as hard.
So you can't be riding with me. Whee! You end up on the ground. Because at the top, the water pressure is so great. Like, it's kind of scary how powerful the water is.
The one that pushes you? Like
yeah, the jets are just like boom, 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 boom. And the second you sit down in that raft, you're out.
Okay, game page.
Why did we go to so many water parks as children?
Water Country USA. So cool. Well, it was alright. Like, Water Country USA was...
Yeah, it was still Virginia.
Yep. I want to move to Virginia for so long, just to go. Now I don't even care about going to water parks now.
Also, like the drive, I don't know what it was, but the drive to Water Country USA was so cool.
Yeah.
It was just the music, the trees, the highway,
Driving's so fun when like everyone's there.
Oh, when you're not driving,
like
when you're not the one driving.
In the car.
Being in the car is so much fun when everyone else is there.
On like beaches, too.
Yeah. You used to have those rap battles in the car.
Mm-hmm.
I would always win.
Drawing contest,
I'd always win. That was just a good time.
Everyone got crammed into the backseat.
Yep. We were just like...
And he was always trying to get the back seat that like leaves.
They'll put me in the middle. Like some prisoner or something.
Okay. Game page.
So when Steven farted, it was just... Game over.
Game page. Let's go.
Love you, Steven. Hope you're not watching this, but... I don't think he's not watching this either. That's a cool guitar.
Game started. So here we want to show it.
Hide.
Game start here as well. And then when we leave, same thing. Pretty much we're doing the exact thing with closed up. So this should hide it. What?
Have you ever been on a roller coaster?
Yeah. I went to...
Carowinds?
No, I never went to Carowinds.
Six Flags?
Do you go to Six Flags? What was the one we went to recently? We went on like there was like a wooden one too.
Hershey Park.
Was that Hershey Park?
Dollywood?
It's the one, maybe it was Dollywood. It's the ones where like the first, I think it might have been Hershey Park. Because like the first rides were like, there was like the kiddie ones on the plane, but they were like going there.
Yeah.
And that one was actually scary.
That was really scary.
Was a kid one. And the further part is like wooden ones. Yeah, it was Hershey Park.
It was Hershey Park.
Dude, Pennsylvania is so cool.
That was Hershey Park.
It's like so like, it looks like 1800s Industrial Revolution City.
Yeah.
Like all like brick warehouses.
It's
like
real
steam
old school.
pipes. It's so cool.
But I was just thinking of like that moment you get on a ride and you just feel like you're gonna die.
It's just like, why did I do this?
Yes. Your face just goes numb and you're like, oh man, this is it. But then you do it again and I just find that really funny. It's gone.
Okay, Okay, I need to like, what is this? Like, why do they all appear and then disappear?
Glitch.
That's kind of weird. Are they like set to display? Maybe I just have to make them all display none initially. Because it may have just been like enabled and then disabled again. It just looks weird when you load the page. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna do that now. CSS changes this one.
CSS changed my life.
How do you change this way properly? Tune on our block using jQuery. Why would I use jQuery? Just go. Oh, it's just display. Okay, so we just need to initialize all these things. Display. So what was showing up?
Everything.
The home page.
The board was showing.
Yeah.
The 2 buttons are showing. Join game, start game. But those are supposed to be showing, right?
Yeah, but the join lobby. I mean the start game and then leave lobby ones as well. Let's change one of the first games. I wish there's like a way to hide. Like you can hide the div. See, like we're hiding the div here. We're saying display or update up the element by class name. Oh, maybe we can add a loading page later on.
Loading.
It's not a big deal. Okay, we're here. Can we start the server right now?
Join the game.
Create a game.
Shasha. Shasha. This Shasha. That's it. This is not. Shasha. Sasha and Shasha.
Shasha. Okay. Join a game.
Shasha. Or Sha dash Sha.
Okay. This is good. He's the lobby. She's there.
Boom.
Good. We want to center this thing.
Yeah. Is there a way to make it bigger? Like each of the individual squares?
Yeah. So let's see. CSS. Okay. Word document. Yeah, there it is. So we can make it like
600 by 600?
and then what then does it do?
Well, then we have to move it down.
Margin 0. How do you move it down?
You did this with the button.
Yeah, I think it's margin 0 auto to center blank. Google it is.
I love Google. Is Google like the check of CS?
Stack Overflow is the check of
Oh.
everyone uses Stack Overflow to fix everyone. Ideally, you should know what you're doing, but when you get a job in the person,
When does that ever
You
happen?
can usually ask your manager, other engineers to help you
That's nice.
before you go online. Or maybe if it's like something simple that like is universally known, you can check offline, but something super specific. You don't want to get too reliant on just like copy and pasting other people's code because you don't really know what it actually does. Like if you do, you have to really understand what it does. But I don't know, I've never coded professionally. Kind of. Move div down. I'm gonna move div down using div. I just click on margin top. You can make your blue bottom down. I think it's just margin top. Not all would fix it though. I don't think we need to reload the.
Which one of the game?
Does reloading destroy the lobby?
It's a good question.
I don't think it does. It's a pretty big problem. I love Google. Just show all my own.
Oh, you're doing it. No.
I'm not gonna blur it.
The facial expression. I like this one.
I guess it doesn't matter. So it's not hard. We'll just have to like routinely delete them. Cause I don't know how to do like detecting or reloading within a browser and all sort of stuff. I'm sure there's a way to do it. It's just like you gotta use cookies and I don't know. I think so. I could be wrong. He joins some guy. I guess the in progress thing will stop people from joining games instead of them like overloaded. Let's see. He'll join the game. Yeah, he starts the game.
Boom!
It's not centered actually.
It's
just
what if we just make it 700 and then it would fit the whole screen?
The problem with doing this is that if you do it on the phone, it'll be huge.
Really?
And it doesn't scale well on the phone.
Should I bring my phone?
Wait, no.
What song is this, by the way?
J. Cole,
Kendrick.
Rashad.
That's why it's such a good beat. Thanks.
Okay. We don't actually do any development, just a bit different. We have done some
Serious stuff.
Yeah.
Should I get my phone to see how it loads or does it not matter?
Sure.
Maybe we can put it. Do you think 650p or just keep it at 600 and just center it?
I was going to keep it 600 and just change this margin auto to margin top.
Okay.
I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna do 50 just to see how it works. think I did anything. I have to reload the page actually. I should kick out everyone. Oh, that's a really weird position.
Like pretty background?
Very cool.
It's completely black.
So it's like shit to do to run down.
Load the game. I think it's so cool. Black marble and everything is black. It's just like nice on your eyes. Like look how clean that is. Okay, I'm going to bingo. Okay.
Okay, it does it horizontally. That's what it says. Oh, so much. Origin top. Let's do 20 pixels. Let's reload the page. Let's go to game.
Willy. Oh, that works too. Magoka. Willy? Oh, okay. That's such a cool name. Willy. Bang! I moved down a little bit. I don't know if it's centered. 100.
Let's see if it's
Watch
actually
the test. So if you do refresh the page, does it log you out?
No.
Okay. No.
It's not working.
Well, it looks pretty good, honestly.
Okay, we just increase the size.
50. 50. 50.
Okay. And then we can follow the knives.
We've done so much work.
This
is what I call
the board in CSS.
a productive study session.
We can work on next, like
What would be the next step?
detecting the clicks on the board, like what user clicks what,
Oh,
and then like committing that to the server.
okay.
Snap that to the server, and then
Start inputting stuff.
And finally, we can do it with just numbers without inputting anything. Like if we get a working bingo with numbers, we can then we can swap out numbers with like text.
Words.
Yeah, it'd be the same thing.
Okay.
So next step, talking to the server, which is gonna be quite a bit of work, but and finally building all the game logic. This is a lot of work as well. Yeah, and then replacing text will be super quick, but yeah.
So how long do you think those 2 steps are gonna take? In terms of hours?
Like the next video will probably take like 2 hours, and then the game will probably take like 2 to 4.
2 to 4? Let's err on side of 4. So 6
like
hours.
Another 2 videos there.
So like 6 hours total?
Yeah.
Okay.
If nothing goes wrong.
Okay.
And what can go wrong will go wrong.
That's what we've learned with CS skins.
Yeah.
That's what we've learned.
Yeah.
That's like a week though. That's not long.
It was kind of a short, kind of meaningless video. Not meaningless, we got just appear and disappear. It's just, we didn't do any much coding. Could have done server stuff, but it's getting kind of late, so we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Like and subscribe, y'all, friend Pong.